that many Jamaicans are still learning to appreciate the NFL. A lot of us are learning students of that game. But with the emergence of a generational talent called Patrick Mahomes, the superstar quarterback of the now back-to-back Super Bowl champions, the Kansas City Chiefs. Outside of this team being led by Mahomes, winning the first back-to-back Super Bowl titles in 20 years, 3 titles in the last 5 years, Mahomes was MVP of all 3 Super Bowl wins. A special talent, genuine crossover appeal. Patrick Mahomes by himself is winning over a new generation of NFL fans across the entire world, including the Maverick. With his unique and versatile skill set as a modern quarterback, whether he's running or making decisions from the pocket, his ice-cold temperament, proven embrace of the big moments, his tried and proven ability to lead and inspire his teammates. At 28 years old, with possibly another decade in the game ahead of him, Mahomes' personal trajectory takes him closer and closer to the status of the greatest of all time, the undisputed GOAT.